Does this sound familiar? Going upstairs is okay, but going downstairs, that's when the knee pain really starts to kick in. Ahoy, it's Ollie and Alicia from Be Mobile, the experts when it comes to exercise for those over 55.
The painful descent is one of the most common complaints we hear from people with knee pain, particularly with conditions like arthritis.
In this video, we're going to explain two of the common reasons why you might be experiencing pain going down the stairs, and most importantly, we're going to give you the single best exercise to address the issue. The first possible reason has to do with the two different ways that the big muscle on the front of your thigh, your quadriceps, has to work. Whenever you go upstairs, your quadricep muscles are performing a concentric contraction, which means that they're shortening. You can think of this a bit like the engine of a car helping to propel you forwards. But when you go downstairs, your quadricep muscles are doing the opposite. They're lengthening whilst under tension. We call this an eccentric contraction, and your quad muscles are having to control your body weight against gravity. You can think of it a little like the braking system in a car. Research shows that braking of your body weight against gravity as you go downstairs can place extra load and force into your knee joint. And if your knee joint's already sensitive, that extra load can be one of the main reasons why I experience pain when going downstairs.
The second possible reason is a position many people have been told to fear, and that is your knee travelling forward over your toes. But it's important to know that this is not an inherently dangerous movement. It's a perfectly normal and necessary part of walking downstairs. However, this deep knee over toe position can increase the compressive load behind the kneecap. If your knee is already sensitive, increasing this compression combined with the braking force can cause irritation.
So if the problem is a combination of those high braking forces and that knee over toe position, the solution isn't necessarily about just building general thigh strength. We want to build some tolerance in that specific position.
You don't need complicated exercises. You need this one. We're going to show you the slow step down, and it's the perfect exercise to gradually and safely load your knee in that eccentric knee over toe position, gradually building tolerance over time.
Find a low step and make sure you've got something to hold on to for support. The up part is not the main focus, so you can use your hands to help you get into position. For progression 1, stand side onto the step and hold on for support. Slowly lower your foot until your toe lightly touches the floor, then come back up. Your goal with these is a slow 3-second descent, and a little stiffness on the first couple of reps is normal, and it should ease as you warm up. Once you're comfortable with that, do the same side-on movement, but now lower your heel down to the floor. This requires more of that knee over toe tolerance. The next progression, you're going to face away from the step, still holding on for support. Slowly lower your non-working leg down in front of you until your toe lightly touches the floor. And for the final progression, we're going to do the full movement. Face away from the step again and slowly lower your heel all the way down to the floor, just like you would when walking down the stairs. And a quick tip, if you're finding that your heel on the step naturally lifts up as you go deeper, that's perfectly okay. Just work within a range that feels manageable for you.
We recommend adding this exercise into your routine 3 times a week. Aim for 3 sets of 10 slow and controlled repetitions each leg.
Now, what should you be feeling during those repetitions? Well, if you're experiencing pain in your knee, that's probably a sign that it's too much for you at the moment. So try a lower step, or you can increase the amount of hand support that you're using. If it feels challenging and you're not experiencing any pain, that's a good sign that you're at the right level and you should stick with it. And if it feels easy and not challenging at all, that's a sign that you need to make some progress. So we would recommend increasing the height of the step or adding a little bit of extra weight.
And remember that consistency is key to building that specific tolerance to walking downstairs.
So now you know that pain when you go downstairs isn't a mystery. It's a sign that you need to improve your braking strength in your quadriceps and get more used to that knee over toe position. But why stop at just strong thigh muscles? You can get a full strength workout for free when you head over to the link on screen.